If you are trying to join Handshake AI for Project Diamond but don't want your account rejected or suspended, this video will save you weeks of trial and error. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to create your Handshake AI account the right way, the mistakes most people make during sign up, and how to increase your chances of getting approved for Project Diamond. If you are applying from regions where access is limited, I highly recommend using a static residential IP. I personally use IP Bagger because it's fast, secure, and works worldwide. I've left my link in the description so you don't risk losing your account. Watch this video till the end because missing just one step could cost your approval. And without wasting time, guys, let us go through Handshake AI and see what Handshake AI is. This is the dashboard. I'll also link the link to our work to their fellowship program on the description part. So, advance AI with your expertise. The Handshake AI program provides students, experts, and professionals the opportunity to train and improve cutting-edge AI. No AI experience needed. This is the most important thing because you can do it even without experience. So, before we start signing up, let us go through the whole page and see what Handshake AI is, how you benefit. The first thing, earn competitively for your work, up to $100 an hour for project dependent, contribute your expertise, challenge and refine AI models using your domain knowledge, and also build skills and get certified. Collaborate with other experts and gain AI fundamentals certification. Opportunities. These are current opening at Handshake. Generalist AI trainer. The pay is $22 an hour. It's part-time and remote. Physics expert. PhDs, postdocs, up to $85 an hour. Math expert, $85 an hour. Chemistry expert, $80 an hour. So if you want to view more projects, just click view all. And here are some of the testimonials. Getting a PhD is work, but oftentimes you are still seen. So go through the testimonials, everything, and see how Handshake AI is a trusted site. So after that, apply if this is you. You have a bachelor's, master's, or doctoral students currently enrolled or graduated for any field of study, able to participate in remote work and partner with leading AI labs, no AI experience required, excited to contribute your expertise to how AI systems understand key domain concepts. There are FAQs, who is eligible to join, what type of work. So you can go through all this. The most important thing is how to apply. And let us choose. Maybe you want to apply as a generalist AI trainer. You click generalist AI trainer. And guys, before anything, I wanted to tell you that Handshake mostly employs students or those people who are currently enrolled in a program and those who have an edu email. What is an edu email? An edu email is address given by an education institution such as a college, university, or a higher learning institution. So it's very important for you to have an edu email if you want account to be approved immediately. If you don't know how to get an edu email, you can tell me on the description below so I can help you on how to get one edu email. Also, let us go through this generalist AI trainer. Most people, maybe those who don't have experience on a certain domain, you can choose generalist AI trainer. So the pay is $22 an hour. Associate bachelor's, remote, part-time, flexible hours. Overview. Handshake is seeking motivated associate, bachelor's, and master students and grants to work remotely to test large AI models in collaboration with top AI labs. As part of this program, you will apply your overall skills and academic knowledge to help improve the performance of LLMs. All disciplines and majors are welcome to apply. Handshake AI projects are remote and part-time opportunities. About the fellowship program, details, this is the generalist, work remotely and independent, short-term AI, responsibilities may include training and evaluating multimedia content such as image, video, audio, assessing and ranking output produced by AI. No specific expertise required. Learn how frontier AI labs are training their models while getting paid. Successful. Experience leads to eligibility for more projects in the future. Shape the future of AI building skills. So qualification, just go through everything because I don't want to waste more time here. Work authorization, F1 students who are eligible for CPT or PT may be eligible for projects on Handshake AI. Work with your designated school official to determine your eligibility. So this is the application process. The first thing, we are going to sign up and create an account, then verify our identity, join and onboard into relevant projects. After that, we start working. So what should we do? Let's click sign up now. We are waiting for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. So they are telling me to verify phone number. So what am I going to do to verify phone number? You're just going to add your phone number here, and if you don't have a phone number, you can as well tell me on the description below so that I can help you to secure one. After adding your phone number here, they will verify you, then send you they will send a verification code. Then once you verify, you'll be taken to the next process, to the next step. The next step, you'll be able to add your edu email or Gmail so that you can be able to continue. But for easier and faster approvals, I recommend using an edu email. And if you don't have one, tell me on the description below so that we can organize on how you can create or get one. And I think with that, you will be able now to verify your identity just as they have said. The whole process is here. After sign up, you verify your identity. You'll be able to verify your DL and residence status. So it's not hard. If you have any challenges, you can just let me know in the comments section. Then you'll be able to join and onboard into relevant projects. Once you join, you'll be taken through a training, that is onboarding. After passing the training, you'll be able now to start working. It's simple as that. Nothing is hard. You just need to take your time, get the right things so that you can apply these easy work from home job. So make sure you have a strong proxy, make sure you have a phone number and DL so that you can be able to apply for these jobs. So don't let this chance to pass. Try as many times so that you can be able to get something to be busy doing. Till next time, thank you guys for watching up to this point. And if you need more detailed information about how to create, let me know on the comment section. Thank you and goodbye till next time.